In this video, I'm going to show you how to open ClickFunnels account. But first, I'm going to answer the big question, what exactly is ClickFunnels? So ClickFunnels is the software that helps entrepreneurs build profitable online businesses and sell more of their products and services. Okay, so if you're someone who wants to make money from your computer, from the comfort of your own home, then ClickFunnels is probably for you. And if you're someone who already has a business but wants to scale it online, then ClickFunnels is probably for you. And because ClickFunnels has a huge library of useful training videos, books, and other learning sources that helps you to grow your own business, and if you don't know anything about entrepreneurship and building websites and stuff like that, then ClickFunnels is great for you. So let's go ahead and start your free 14-day trial. Going to bring you here your sign up page, okay, where you enter your name, your email, and password. Okay, so obviously they're gonna ask you for your credit card, but they're not gonna charge you immediately. It's going to take you to this page. Also, they have this upsell right here, this 9 secret funnel training. It's definitely great to have this. This is the only time you could buy it though. So if you want it, great. Then check this box and get it now. And if not, then you will never be able to get it again, unless you maybe create a new account. So I actually highly recommend getting this. This is a great training. It's great funnels. So create your account and let's move on to the next step. Also, they have pre-selected plan here, Edison Seed. So once you're gonna start your free trial, we're gonna change that. If you would like to change it, you would have to change it to the other one, because you have this here pre-selected option right away. And I'm going to show you right now when you will sign up how to change it to the other basic package. Okay, so now it brought me to this page where you also have pre-selected Edison Seed package, and it also explains here what you will have if you will select it. So you don't have to use the Edison Seed. You can just use the basic package over here, which is $97 per month, and that's a great one to just start with. Edison Seed package comes with everything down here, with Actionetics and Backpack, where you can create your own affiliate programs with your account, and you have our responder building. So, okay, here is this 9 secret funnel training if you would like to add, and you would have to enter your credit card, because I entered before my own credit card information and declined since I already have account. So here it took me to this page where I would have to enter again credit card information and select a package. Yeah, but don't worry if you entered like on a previous page before and it chosen Edison Seed for you. You can go then to your dashboard when you will already have account, and you can change it in your account settings. Okay, so you would go to your account settings, and you will see this panel, and you choose account billing, and then it will show your plan, and you would have to change it. If you would like to change it to a more simple one, you just choose a different plan, and choose startup $97 plan. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to join ClickFunnels, you can use the link down below under this video. And I'm gonna post more helpful videos. You also can ask me whatever you want directly. Okay, so thank you.